Those of you who are new to the channel, hey, how's it going? I'm Khaozdreamz, and for those of you returning, thank you for your loyalty and welcome back. Today we have a special one because we're actually getting Protune, and it's actually really necessary because we just did the turbo inlet and we did intake along with some other small things. So this is just really the final piece to everything that we've done. So what's really good about this too is that we're actually doing it in a higher elevation, whereas before our Protune was at a lower sea level elevation, so that should help out as well too. All in all, I'm really glad to be at Snail Performance because they came with high reviews, and I cannot express how much importance it is to be Protune when you have all the kind of mods that we've done so far. We've done basic bolt-ons, but the fact of the matter is when you have everything said and done, you really should get a Protuner to handle your ride and make sure that they're not missing anything. So right now, let's go ahead and go talk to the Protuner, get her on the ramp, get her dynoed, and hopefully come back with some great news. All right, guys, here we go. We're about to start the first couple of passes and enjoy the sounds. For those of you who are interested in the current exhaust that I'm running, just in case, I'm running the Cobb exhaust, which is a full turbo back. So I'm running the J pipe all the way back to the exhaust that you see here. This has been on the car since I had the car, which is about coming up to 6 or 7 years. Don't quote me on that. So you know, all the carbon and all this soot has settled to enough to give you what exactly you're going to hear. I do have plans of changing the exhaust, but that's going to be a little bit more. So I don't know about you guys, but that's freaking amazing to hear your car from the outside, and a little bit scary, but hopefully that made good power. And if it didn't, then oh well, but I'm still excited. Run number 2. I don't know if you guys can hear the bypass valve, but it sounds just enough for you to notice it, but not enough to be like obnoxiously loud, which is okay in my book. But if you guys want to know what I'm running, that's going to be the Cobb LPV, low bypass valve, I believe. LPV, low bypass valve, something like that. The only thing that I'm hoping that he doesn't come out and be like, dude, your car is crap. You have leaks all over the place, you have things are not running right, whoever tuned your car is horrible. That's what I'm hoping not to hear. I'm hoping he comes out and be like, yeah, it's good to go, or yeah, you got some issues, or man, this thing looks good, sounds good, very healthy. So we'll see, and I'll give you guys an honest opinion once I find out from him, if he allows me to film him on camera. He might not, so I'll give you the overview after everything. So yeah, okay. So we're just waiting right now. The tuner did say that there is a possible boost leak on it, but he's doing some tests on it, and that the mass airflow sensor was a little dirty, or very dirty. So shame on me for not doing that, and hopefully everything else comes okay and that we don't have a boost leak, because that's always fun. Really hope I got everything tightened down, but this is why you take it to professionals, so stay tuned. So after they clean the mass airflow sensor and they did the smoke test, we're going to try again. Hopefully it tells me that there's no leaks. Don't know. I think it's the most nerve-wracking feeling because I do all the work on the Subaru, so it's a reflection on me if I didn't have something right or the car's not healthy. So I hope and pray that everything's gonna go smooth. Things are freaking loud, man. Like, it's I think if you guys are looking for an exhaust that's not loud but will perform right and I guess be loud when it needs to be, then here you go. But I'm pretty sure the next exhaust system I want to get is just a little bit better. Hey, so shout out to all those pro tuners out there. I could never do this. Like, I already work on computers, and I can only imagine working on someone's car and tuning, retweak, tuning, retweak, tuning. That's an awesome skill, man. Like, hats off to all your tuners out there. And yeah, man, I think we're looking better. I cannot help but smile at the fact that I feel the heat coming from my exhaust. I hear the exhaust, everything looks good, it sounds good, she sounds healthy. I'm really, really hoping that we get a good review, a good thumbs up, like, hey, your car's good, just a dirty MAF sensor, so keep it clean. She's a little low, got it, yeah, woo! Such a beautiful car.
Back up front.
Man, I can't help but smile, okay? All right, let's get a review. Hopefully we did good, guys. All right, so we're done. I was able to talk to our pro tuner, Taylor, from Snail Performance, and what we finished up with was about 310. Now, that is actually not bad, and it's kind of disappointing, but at the same time, as long as it's healthy, he made sure the tune is 100%, run 365, no worries. We're at about 19 pounds of boost, which again is safe. No reason to go anything crazier. Unless we start beefing up everything, I think we're in a good spot. So picked up some goodies, some shirts and lanyards. Like I said, sitting at about 310, 302 in horsepower and 310 for torque, which again, still 300 club. Maybe down the line we'll pull the engine and make her all beefed up, but for now that's good. And for all of those of you who are looking for massive power, pretty sure you guys can come right on in and Taylor will take good care of you guys. But until then, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe of what you want to see, what you didn't enjoy. And other than that, guys, remember, dreams were never simple. Take care, guys.